Hey there! Want to clear your digital well-being history on your Samsung phone to keep your data safe and secure? No worries, I've got you covered. Let's walk through the process together. First up, start by opening the settings on your Samsung phone. Then scroll down just a bit to locate Digital Wellbeing and Parental controls. Once you find it, go ahead and tap on that option. After that, find the top right corner and tap the three dots. Next, choose Settings from the menu. Now, within Settings, you should see Usage Data Access. Give that a tap to proceed. Once you're there, tap on Settings again. Now, switching off the Allow Permission option. And that's all there is to it. You have successfully cleared your digital well-being history on your Samsung phone. I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. Thanks for watching.